Hello children, a very good morning to all. Hope you are all fine and safe at home. Okay, shall we spend a few minutes for learning? Yes. So in last class we have seen 10 tables. Have you all practiced? Yes, fine. Now we move on to the 11 table. Okay? Listen carefully. 1 11 is 11. 2 11s are 22. 3 11s are 33. 4 11s are 44. 5 11s are 55. 6 11s are 66. 7 11s are 77. 8 11s are 88. 9 11s are 99. 10 11s are 110. Shall we repeat once again, children? Yes, listen carefully. 1 11 is 11. 2 11s are 22. 3 11s are 33. 4 11s are 44. 5 11s are 55. 6 11s are 66. 7 11s are 77. 8 11s are 88. 9 11s are 99. 10 11s are 110. Okay, fine children. You have to write this one in your classwork. Okay. Now we move on to the new chapter. Chapter 5, Test of Divisibility and Factors and Multiples. Okay. So before moving into the chapter, we can see some rules. Okay. See, divisibility rules for 2, 5 and 10. Okay. There is a rule. You have to know the rules. Okay. Before doing the problems, you should know the rules. Yes. See, a number is divisible by. Here, if the last digit is, okay, if it is 2 means the last digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Okay, children. So, a number is divisible by 2 means the last digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. For example, here I am doing 468. Okay, the last digit is 8. Now tell me whether it is divisible by 2? Yes, because the last number is 8. Okay, 8 is divisible by 2. So the full number will be divisible by 2. Okay, yes, fine. See the next one, 5. If it is 5 means the last number should be 0 or 5. Okay, for example, 7250. Okay, the last number is 0. Now tell me whether it is divisible by 5? Yes, so it is divisible by 5 because the last number is 0. Okay, the number is divisible by 5 means it should end with 0 or 5. Okay, yes. Next, a number is divisible by 10 means the last number should be 0. Okay. See, 5220. Okay. The last number is 0. Whether it is divisible by 10? Yes. So, if it is 0 means, it's very sure it will be divisible by 10. Okay, children? Yes. Next one. Divisibility rule for 4. Okay. Just now we have seen divisibility rule for 2, 5, 10. Okay. Now we are moving to divisibility rule for 4. Okay. See the rule here. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4 or if the last 2 digits are 0. Okay. Last 2 digits. Suppose 3416. Okay, so last 2 digit means this is the last 2 digit. Okay, if the last 2 digit is divisible by 4 means it will be the whole number, the full number will be divisible by 4 or 3400. The last 2 digit will be 0. Okay, see the rule carefully. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4 or if the last 2 digits are 0. Okay, so last 2 digits will be divisible by 4 or the last 2 digits will be 0. Okay, this is the rule for 4. Okay children? Fine. Next, divisibility rule for age. Okay, see, a number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or if the last 3 digits are 0. Same we have seen for 4, no? We have seen 2 digits, last 2 digits for divisible by 8. But here, divisibility rule for 8 is a number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits, okay, last 3 digits are divisible by 8. You have to check the last 3 digit number. It will come in 8 table, or if the last 3 digits are 0, okay, last 3 digits 0 means it will be exactly divisible by 8. Okay children, so you know what is divisibility. Divisibility means without leaving any remainder it exactly divides. Okay, that is the divisibility. Last class we have seen division, no? We have found quotient and remainder. For some problems we have found remainder as 0. If the remainder is 0 means the number is exactly divided. Okay, yes. Next one, divisibility rule for 3 and 9. Okay, so what is the rule for 3 and 9? A number is divisible by 3. 3 means if the sum of the digit should be come in 3 table. Okay, for example, see 525. We have to add all this number. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, so this is 12. 12 will come in 3 table. Yes, so 525 is divisible by 3. Okay, now we are going to check for 9. Okay, same we have to check. So 12 will come in 9 table. No, 12 will not come. So this number will not divisible by 9. Okay, it should come in particular tables. Okay, if it is 3 means you have to add all the number. After adding, the last total should come in particular table. Okay, if it come in 3 table means the full number will be divisible by 3 table. Okay, shall we take another example for 9? Yes, see 2345. Shall we check for 9 table? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 will come in 9 table? No. So, 2345 will not divisible by 9. Okay, if it is 18 means if you are adding any number, if it is 18, 9 or any number that should come in 9 table means that is exactly divisible by 9 table. Okay, yes. So this is the rule for 3 and 9. Okay, by doing the problem you can understand. Okay, yes. Next one, divisibility rule for 6. Okay, next one. See the rule here. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, so it should be divisible in 2 table or 3 table. For rule 6, we are writing here, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, it should be divisible by 2 table and 3 table. Okay, or in other words, all even numbers divisible by 3 or divisible by 6. Okay children, yes. So if the number should come in 2 table or 3 table, or one more method is, in other words, all even numbers divisible, all even numbers divisible by 3 or divisible by 6. Okay, this is the rule for 6. Yes, so what are the rules we have seen now? See, divisibility rules for 2, 5 and 10. Next, divisibility rule for 4. Next, divisibility rule for 8. Divisibility rule for 3 and 9. Next, divisibility rule for 6. All these rules you should learn. Okay children? Fine. Okay children, now we move on to the exercise. Okay, see exercise 5.1. Okay, see the first one, they have given given some numbers that are divisible by some numbers. Okay, we have to use the rule to check whether it is divisible by the given number. Okay, yes. See the first one. Circle the numbers that are divisible by 2. What is the rule that are divisible by 2? The last number should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Okay, so we have to check the last digit. So this is the last digit. Okay, for everything you have to check the last digit. Now see the first one, 5070. The last digit is 7. Okay, 7 will not divisible by 2. So you should not circle that one. See the next one, the last number is 4. 4 is divisible by 2. So the whole number, the full number should be divisible by 2. Okay, like this you have to check the last digit. If it is divisible by 2, the full number will be divisible by 2. Okay, see the next one. The last number is 5. 5 will not divisible by 2. So leave this one. Okay, we should not circle. See the next one. 3476. The last number is 6. So 6 is divisible by 2. Just now we have seen in the rule. So circle this one. 3476. See the next one. 4938. So the last number is 8. So 8 is divisible by 2. So you have to circle this number also. So we have ignored 2 numbers and we have circled the remaining. Okay, like this you have to check. For that you should know the rules. Okay, next. See the next one. Circle the numbers that are divisible by 5. Now tell me children, what is the rule for divisible for 5? Yes, it should end with 0 or 5. Okay, shall we check the answers now? Yes, see, we have to check the last digit. Okay, it should end with 0 or 5. Okay, see the first one, 1720. The last number is 0. So it should be divisible by 5. Okay, next, see the next one. The last number is 1. So 1 will not divisible by 5. So ignore this one. Don't circle this. Next one. 4755. The last number is 5. So it should be divisible by 5. So circle this one. Okay. Next one. See the last number 2. Okay. 1272. The last number is 2. 2 will not divisible by 5. So ignore this one. Don't circle. Next one. 4700. The last number is 0. 0 is divisible by 5. So circle this number fully. Okay children. So before circle you should know the rule for each and every number. Okay. Yes. Fine. See the next one. Circle the numbers that are divisible by 10. Now tell me children, what is the rule that is divisible for 10? Yes, the number should end with 0. Okay, just now we have seen the rules, right? So the number should end with 0 for divisible by 10. Okay, shall we check the number? Yes. First see the last number, it is 0. So it is divisible by 10. Now see the next one, 1405. The last number is 5. Okay, so 5 will not divisible by 10. So ignore this one, don't circle. Next one, the last number is 0. So automatically you can circle the number. Okay, the rule is the number should end with 0. Okay, see the next one, this is also the number end with 0. So circle this also. Next one, the last number is 5. Okay, 5 will not divisible by 10. So don't circle this one, ignore this. Yes, fine. Next one, circle the numbers that are divisible by 3. Now tell me children, what is the rule for divisible by 3? So if you add all the numbers, it should be divisible by 3 tables. Okay. So see, shall we add? See, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Whether 18 will come in 3 table? Yes, 18 will come in 3 table. Okay, 6 3s are 18. So it is divisible by 3. Okay, like this you have to add the number. Okay, each and every number you have to add. The final answer should be divisible by 3 table. Okay children, fine. See the next one. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Whether 9 will come in 3 table? Yes, 3 3s are 9. So you have to circle this one also. So 4122 is divisible by 3. Okay. Next one. See, 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 0, 20. Whether 20 will come in 3 table? No. Okay. So leave this one. Don't circle. Next. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 will come in 3 table? Yes. 4 3s are 12. So circle this number. Next one. See, 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 0, 11. 11 plus 0, 11. Whether 11 will come in 3 table? No. Okay. So we have to circle only divisible by 3. For that we have to use the rule. Okay children? Yes, fine. Now we move on to the exercise 5.2. Build a factor tree method. Okay, we have to use the factor tree method. Shall we do now? Yes. See what number is given? 32. Okay, we have to use the tree method. Okay, for that we have to check first 2 table. From 2 table you have to move. Okay, so in 2 table 32 will come. Yes, if number 2 is ending with, that will be divisible by 2. So how many times in 2 table? So 2 into 16. Okay children, 2 16s are 32. Okay, so 2 is a prime number. Okay, in 1 table and 2 table only 2 will come. So leave this one as it is. Okay, now we have to do the fraction for 16. 16 will come in 2 table. Yes, how many times? So 2 8s are 16. Okay children, now leave this 2 as it is. Now we have to factorize 8. Okay, see in 2 table 8 will come. Yes, how many times? So 2 4s are 8. Okay, leave this 2 as it is. Now we have to factorize 4. Okay, so 4 will come in 2 table. Yes, how many times? 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. Okay children, up to this you have to stop. We cannot factorize anymore. Okay, so because it is prime number. If it is prime number means you have to stop up to that. Okay, so what is going to be prime number? Only in one single table it is divisible. Okay, the number will not come in any other table. Okay, that is prime number. So like this you have to do. If the number is not divisible by 2 means you have to move on to 3 table. Okay, like this you have to move. If it is not 2 table means 3 table. If it is not 3 table means 4 table. Like that you have to move. Okay children? Yes, fine. Now we move on to the next one. Use multiplication to find the factors. Okay, we have to use the multiplication method for this to find the factor. Yes, see 56. Okay, so here I have written 56 is equal to, in one table 1 into 56 is 56. Okay, next 2 into 28 is 56. Next 4 into 14 is 56. Next 7 into 8 is 56. Okay, so 56 will come in 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, 7 table as well as 56 table, 28 table, 14 table, 8 table. Okay, see the numbers 1, 2, 4, 7, 56, 28, 14 and 8. Okay, we have to take all the numbers. Okay, it will come in one table as well as 56 table. Next 56 will come in two table as well as 28 table. Like this we have to take all the numbers 1, 2, 4, 7, 56, 28, 14 and 8 or the factors of 56. Okay, like this you have to use the multiplication method. Okay, if it is multiplication method means you have to use this method. Okay children, fine. Next, use division to find the factors. Okay, this man we have to use the division method. Yes, see 25. Okay, see 25 divided by 1 is equal to 25. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Okay, 25 will divide in one table as well as 5 table and also in 25 table. 25 divided by 25 is equal to 1. Okay children, so the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Okay, so this is the division method. This is multiplication method. Multiplication method you have to use the tables. Division method you have to do the division process. Okay children, yes. So the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Okay, the numbers should exactly divide without leaving any remainder. Okay children, yes, fine. Next one, find two common factors. So we have to find the two common factors. Okay, they have given 6 and 12. Okay, factors of 6. So in 6, what are the tables will come? In one table 6 will come. 2 table also 6 will come. Okay, 2 3s are 6. In 3 table also 3 2s are 6. Next 6 1s are 6. So factors of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, in this table only 6 will come. Okay children, yes. Next factors of 12. 12 will come in one table as well as 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 6 table and 12 table. Okay, so this is the factors of 12. Okay, you have to check this number will come in particular tables or not. Okay, now we have to find the two common factors. Okay, see the first common factor is 1. Okay, in both you have 1. Next common factor is 2. They asked to find only two common factors. So the common factors of the two common factors of 6 and 12. 6 and 12 or 1, 2. Okay, they asked to find only two common factors. If they asked 3 means next you have to circle this 3. Okay, but they asked only two common factors. You have to find only the two common factors. Okay children, yes, fine. So by following this I have given classwork. You have to copy down in your classwork. Okay children, I will see you in the next class. Thank you.
My dear students, in today's activity you are going to learn about divisibility by 2. By seeing a number, how do you say it is divisible by 2 or not? Here you have a hint. What is it? All the even numbers are divisible by 2. So you have to check whether the given number is even number or not. If it is even means you can say it is divisible by 2. Otherwise you say it is not divisible by 2. Okay, what is mean by divisible by 2? If you divide a given number by 2, it should leave the remainder as 0. then only you can say the given number is divisible by 2. So this is the meaning of the term divisible by 2. Okay. Now if a number is given to you, you have to say whether it is divisible by 2 or not. How do you say? You have to check it is even or not. If it is even, you have to say it is divisible by 2. Otherwise, you have to say it is not divisible by 2. See the chart, student. What you are seeing? You are seeing the numbers from 1 to 100. Among these numbers, the number which are highlighted by blue, observe that numbers, they are ends with 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0. So we can easily say they are even numbers. So we can say it is divisible by 2. From this chart, you can easily understand that the numbers which are highlighted are divisible by 2. It means if you divide the numbers by 2, definitely you get the remainder as 0. It's clear, children? Thus, it is very clear all the even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. How do you find the given number is even number? See here. Even numbers ends with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. It means if the digit in the units place of a number is either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, we can say that number is even numbers. Here you have some examples. See these numbers. 130. What is the digit in the unit place? 0. So 130 is a even number. So it is divisible by 2. See the second one, 512. What is the digit in the unit place? 2. So the number 512 is an even number. So we can say it is divisible by 2. It means if you divide the number 512 by 2, you get the remainder as 0. See the third one, 794. What is the units place number? 4. So the number is an even number. So it is divisible by 2. See the fourth one, 776. It is also an even number because it ends with 6. So it is also divisible by 2. See the last one, 978. So its units place number is 8. So it is an even number. So it is also divisible by 2. So from this, what we have conclude? All the even numbers are divisible by 2. How do you find the even numbers? The numbers which are ends with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 are said to be even numbers. Otherwise, it is said to be odd numbers. Okay.